What's up, traders? Choppy day in the S&P 500 futures today until a tape bomb set up a clean FBD at the 60-70 level. Let's break it all down. So in the overnight session, right, the price pretty much held this 60-85 area, which I spoke about, would be it's a key mid pivot, right? Pretty much during the overnight session, we pretty much held above it. 60-90 bulls pretty much had momentum and pushed to the 6102, 6103 area all the way to early morning before falling back, testing that 6085 once again, creating like a mini FBD there, and pretty much pushing into the open, created a little 6106 high, not much higher than the pre-market. But yeah, then from there we pretty much stayed in a nice consolidation range, right? Like a 10 point range from the 90 to 6100, 6102 area. Me and a few members in the Discord were just being real patient, not really forcing any trades, just sitting there watching it. As she was coiling, we're like in a big major flag, right at some key levels, waiting for Amazon earnings, anything else, and it just seemed like there was going to be one of those tape bombs, right, that we've been getting every day, where it just out of nowhere just get the selling pressure, either due to news, stop losses, or just algos just hitting it. But yeah, we pretty much had one leading up to right before power hour, right? Had one come down to a key level, which we were watching this level, the 60-70, waiting for this 85 to break through, as she just kept getting, right as we come back to it, it was getting weaker, and had that tape bomb that solidified it, came on down, gave us that FBD opportunity. A few members in the Discord took that and pretty much took that up, and it provided a great trade right there. Other than that, pretty much sat. We waited for power hour to close and just pretty much waited for the Amazon earnings, which that gave another opportunity, and that was pretty good to play right there. Waited for the dump, then took it back up. One of the members was already short, was able to write it down, so that was pretty good to see. But yeah, there's nothing really changed to the plan. It's pretty much the same thing. You know, the bullish plan of it, if bulls maintain control above the 60-70, we need to hold that 60-70 to 60-65 area, right? For the continued straight, anything that comes back in these areas, we want to see that hold. Of course, the 60-85, which is a little weaker now, we want to see that hold as a mid pivot and give us the momentum to extend over the 6100. Once we break the 6105, 6100 area, we'll get pushed into that 6115, 6120 before we see some more, maybe some sellers step in or whatnot. But yeah, we lose this 65 area, we push on down to the 60-55, and I'll watch, how price reacts at that level if we decide to come down there during the night or early morning. So I'll be watching that, but mainly just keeping it simple. This mid pivot at 60-85 and this main support at the 60-70. A break over the 6100, 6105 area can get long there. So I'm not, biased of just getting the low on support or whatnot. But yeah, I hope all of you guys had a great day out there. The Discord, we did good. For the people that jumped in voice, if you're looking for a group, come join us. The Discord link will be in the description. Go live every day about 4:30 a.m. California time. But yeah, check us out, Global Money Traders. We trade the ES. I trade a little bit of oil and the NASDAQ. We have NASDAQ traders that trade the NQ, MNQ. But yeah, I hope you guys all had a good one, and I'll see you guys then.